Hello, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of tuning into this channel, you're very welcome. I am Mommy Bechku. So those are all we'll be using for today's Quaker oats. We have oatmeal, honey, salt and milk. Let's begin. Quaker oats is very easy to make and is highly nutritious. I already have 2 cups of water boiling in the gas. I'll be pouring in the 2 measured cups of oatmeal into the hot water. I'll give it a quick stir, cover it to boil for about 30 seconds before adding the salt. Oatmeal is very filling, it's very delicious, and I can't stop taking it for breakfast, so I decided to share this simple way of making it. Oatmeal contains a whole lot of fiber and is very filling. When you take oatmeal in the morning, you feel full for almost 24 hours. Okay, depending on how you make it and what you ate with the oatmeal. Okay, so I'll be adding the salt, the pinch of salt now, and I'm going to allow it to cook for another 30 seconds, which will make it 1 minute before pouring in the milk. So right now I'll be pouring in the milk. You can use evaporated milk for this, you can use whole milk for this. Is your choice. Okay, if you're on a weight loss journey, I would advise you make use of skimmed milk because it has less fats. So I'm going to give it a quick stir and allow it to cook for another 30 seconds. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing to join the family. Okay, thank you so much. I'm sure when you try this oatmeal, you won't be able to get enough of it. It's so super delicious, and this is a well-rolled oats. That is why you're still seeing the oatmeal particles. It's super good. So it's over 30 seconds now. Look at how delicious it looks. If you are making use of sugar, this is now when to add it. If you're making use of sweetener, other sweeteners, this is when to add it. I am making use of honey, so because of that, I won't be adding it directly to the heat of the pot. I'll be adding it to the oatmeal in the plate. So I hope you enjoyed this. My oatmeal method is very simple, fast, healthy, very ideal for breakfast. If you want to use any sweetener of your choice, make sure you add it on time. Aside from the honey, I'm going to add some more milk to my oatmeal. Then I'm going to add the honey. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing. Please. We are almost there. We are almost at 1K. Thank you so much for all your support. I'm happy, I'm grateful. Thank you. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye.